Hi there, welcome to 110 RC Scale Tales. You've guessed by the title, and what you're looking at right now, it's a box opening and it's diecast. It's Matchbox Collectors series, a series of 1/64th diecast vehicles released over the course of the year. It's 2024, so this is the first batch. I've ordered 6 and we're going to open up the box and have a closer look. Best way to support the channel is give me a like, it does wonders for the reach. If you'd like to see more 110 RC Scale Tale videos, please hit that notification bell, and even better, subscribe. So let's waste no more time. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So these were ordered from Modelmatic, an online retailer of collectible diecast. They sell all sorts of 1/64th scale, including Matchbox, Hot Wheels, etc, etc. So let's have a look and see what we've got in this box. Some bubble wrap. So, first up, it is a 1970 Oldsmobile 442. Number 6 of 20. Now they normally release these in batches of 5 over the course of the year, so this is the first lot, which is actually, they've released 10 so far and I've ordered 6. So this is the 1970 Oldsmobile 442, a nice metallic blue colour with 2 twin bonnet stripes on the front, wide bonnet stripes, you can see that there, nice white stripes. 4 headlights on the front, chrome grille, nice red taillights, and a white interior, and it looks like this model has opening doors too. Nice chrome wheels, looks very nice indeed. So that's number 6 of 20. Put that one side. Next up, it's number 1 of 20, and it's a 1955 Ford panel delivery van. Again, metallic blue, two-tone with white roof and white fenders or wings. Nice chrome grille there, chrome headlights, detailed badge, and on the back some signage and a license plate. Very, very nice. Next up, it's a 1964 Buick Riviera. Very cool car. Again, a white interior on this one. This is number 8 of 20. Awesome looking grille there with the headlights, sunken headlights, nice chrome wheels. Loving the chrome accents on the body, the air intakes, and the white around the hood or the bonnet, and again on the trunk or the boot, depends what part of the world you're from. Very, very nice model indeed. Love the red. Very, very nice. So that's number 8 of 20. Next up, something a little bit more modern. It's a Porsche Cayenne Turbo in metallic lime green. Tinted black windows, black sunroof. Nice detail in the front. And nice detail on the rear. It's number 7 of 20. Big chunky tires, off-road tires, and black wheels. Very nice indeed. So that's the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Second to last, which I actually think is my favourite. It's a 1974 Toyota Celica GT liftback in a peachy orange colour. This is number 9 of 20. You look at the rear there, nice detail with the lights and license plate. Very dark tinted plastic windows. Silver stripe down the side. 4 headlights at the front. And detail at the rear. You can just see that there. Very, very nice. And last but not least, number 3 of 20 is a yellow 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Number 3 of 20. Very desirable car in its day. In fact, I often wished I had one when they were out and about new. Could never afford one. Nice to see a model in 1/64th scale of this nice car. Grey interior. Nice detail with the Mitsubishi badge on the front. And detail at the rear. So this is number 3 of 20. So there we go, so that's the Mitsubishi. Let's take this box away. Have a close look at these. So there's the Mitsubishi, Toyota, Porsche Cayenne, the 1964 Buick Riviera, the 1955 Ford panel van, and the 1970 Oldsmobile. That's your lot. That's 6 of the 2024 Matchbox Collectors Collection. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Cheers now. Bye bye.